ARRI Log C3 and internal ProRes RAW is a game changer.
My assignment from Panasonic was shoot a film with an ARRI Alexa as your A camera, but use the GH7 as your B camera, as your crash camera, put it to the test, beat it up, find out what it can do, really push this little camera alongside the highest end cinema camera out there. The advantage of a camera like a GH7 is that I can move this camera much faster. It's smaller, I can put it into tighter spots.
This is where the GH7 is a secret weapon, and it's a tool to tell this story in a much more immersive way.
It just gives me creative options that you won't get with a large, high-end cinema camera. I wanted these fights to be hard-hitting and to be immersive. I wanted to really feel all these punches and kicks.
Are we really gonna crash and burn?
I kind of just can't help grabbing a camera and jumping into the middle of the action and trying to make some shots. It's basically what I love the most.
We're shooting handheld with the GH7. I don't have a cage or any metal parts on the camera because if the stunt actors hit the camera, I don't want to injure them with like a hard piece of metal. So the camera is just slimmed down. I just have the grip here. It's as soft as it can possibly be. And hopefully nobody hits it. We don't want any injuries. But it's an amazing tool that can move super fast and get into tight spots and get kind of a POV and a perspective that's pretty much impossible any other way. And action.
I love how I'm able to whip this camera around and move it very fast handheld to really sell these punches and these kicks.
We almost broke the camera. Oh, we totally destroyed it. Did we get the shot? I guess we sacrificed one GH7, but that's okay. We got the shot.
This is the actual GH7 that I used handheld in the cookie jar. It's a little beat up. It hit a brick wall twice. It got kicked into me one time pretty hard. It's got a few dents in it. It's got some scratches, but after being slammed into a brick wall a couple times and kicked around, kicked out of my hands, the darn thing still works. These cameras are amazingly tough.
And the fact that I can shoot a project with my GH7 and match it to an ARRI Alexa is game changing.
I'm the best in the game there is.
Panasonic.